Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you all of my favorite products that I use for hand care, nail care, like cuticle care, let's just put it at that. So I have a ton of different products to show you guys because I have been getting a ton of questions on how I keep my cuticles and my skin looking the way they do. And I think that's meant in a positive way because I do get a lot of questions if I actually cut my cuticles and stuff like that, and what kind of hand creams I use to keep it all moisturized. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so, and of course become a part of my little nail family. But the first products I'm going to share are some oils. I've got these two by Essence. First of all, I really wanted to share them because they smell amazing. They have such a lovely scent. They definitely smell like candy and they are at least cruelty free. I'm not quite sure if these are completely vegan as well, but they are very nice to use. They have like a little like nail polish brush and all, and they are very inexpensive as well. They are under like €2 if I remember correctly. Then another Essence product is the nail and cuticle cream. This one also smells very lovely, like coconuts. This one is completely vegan, so that is a big plus. And of course Essence Cosmetics is completely cruelty free as well. So yeah, this is kind of like hand cream-ish, but I feel like it's a little bit more thin in consistency and it definitely gets soaked up by the skin really fast. As you can see right here, I just applied a little bit to my finger just to show you what it looks like, and I can definitely do like at least 5 of my nails or fingers slash cuticles with them. I just really love this one, and once again it has a very nice scent too. It keeps my cuticles nice and soft, and yeah, that was that one. The next one is actually a nail oil that I got myself a little while ago when I was in Germany back in September. This one is by Trend It Up. You can get it at a DM drugstore and it was really inexpensive as well. I think it was like 170, 179 or something like that in euros. So yeah, I haven't used it a ton, but I pretty much like it so far. Then another oil I got, this one is by PJR Care Nail Polish. It is pretty nice. It is vegan, it is halal, it is cruelty free. And yeah, it's a Dutch brand, so I like to support my Dutchies. Then another very affordable drugstore proof nail oil, like a nail and cuticle oil, is one by Catrice Cosmetics. I've used this one so often that the entire label is just starting to peel off. I already have a backup of this one, and the new one, like from their newer fall winter collection, has a little bit of a different packaging, but it also has 98% of natural ingredients, which is something I really love. And this one actually has one of those little dropper thingy, so it isn't a brush or anything like that. It is just transparent, and once again it smells very nice, very florally. Then another cuticle oil that I actually got while I was in Japan in November 2019. I love this one so much. It is a little bit more expensive. I think it was, if I like calculated back to euros, it was like 10 or 11 euros, so it was a little bit more expensive. Not too bad though, and I really love that applicator. It is like a very big, spongy, like fluffy applicator. It kind of reminds me of like a thick lip gloss if you look at the applicator, but the oil itself is pretty nice, and once again a lovely smell, or scent I have to say. Then I also got a bunch by Madame Glam, and the first one, the Elixir cuticle oil. I've had that one for a while. If you have been following me like for a longer period of time, you know that I use this one a lot. I also use it in my videos a lot at the end of a couple of my gel polish designs. That is something that I love to do, like whenever I change up my gel polish designs, which I always apply to my right hand. As you can see here, like the nail polish, by the way, on my left hand has been on for a full week. It's been through some heavy duty days at my full-time job, and the gel polish design on my right hand, like with the lovely like leaf design and stuff like that, that one has been on for 2 full weeks. So yeah, they really need to get changed, and I just love to add a little bit of cuticle oil after I have done my new manicure. But here you can see some new ones. I got my Madam Glam as well. We have a Harmony, we have a Serenity, we have a Prairie, and I think we have a Blossom one as well. They all have different colors and different scents as well, and they all smell so amazing. They're quite florally, but I definitely don't mind that personally. I have to say I really love it. This Prairie one, by the way, I think this one was like the purplish bluish kind of colored one. This one smells exactly like a shower gel my husband uses, and I just love this smell. It's just so familiar, and I really have that thing that when I smell like certain scents, it always reminds me of like people or like moments or anything like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you have that as well, if you can totally like connect scents to different moments or people in life. I definitely have that all the time. But here's a little overview of all of the Madam Glam nail and cuticle oils that I got. I'm a big fan of them. Once again, they are a little bit more expensive. They aren't like drugstore proof or something like that, but I do have a 30% discount code if you want to use that. I always leave it in the description box. So yeah, let's continue to all of the hand creams. This first one I actually got at the M when I was in Germany. It's quite basic. It has a very lovely like lemony kind of scent. It absorbs pretty fast. The next one is actually quite new. It is by Rituals, and it is one of their like limited edition ones. I really love this one. I just love the packaging, and I use it pretty much daily ever since I got it last week. I love it so much. It has a nice smell as well. The next one is by Dr. Organic. I have repurchased this one because I used it last year a lot. It has quite a thick formula, and it does take a little while for your skin to really soak it up. And the scent isn't that great, but it is very nice to the skin, very soothing and smoothing, and just really good for it if you have dry hands. Then I've got another one, and this one I got in Germany as well. I have only used it like once. I really love the smell of it, and it was quite inexpensive as well. I got it at a TK Maxx. It was on sale. It doesn't have like the best ingredients, but it has a really nice scent, and it is by Yes Studio, by the way. Then the last ones I really wanted to share with you are a couple of new ones that I got by The Body Shop. I actually purchased these myself. I just got them in last week as well, but I'm just such a sucker for cute packaging, and I just love The Body Shop as a brand on its own. So I got a really festive pumpkin-y one for Halloween, and I got 3 of their limited edition like winter ones as well. So we have the winter jasmine, we have a warm vanilla one. Like, I haven't used this one yet. The previous jasmine one was very nice, by the way, and a festive berry I haven't tried either, but you know, I have got so many of them right now, I'm just gonna switch it up a bit. But yeah, that were all of my favorite hand and nail care products at the moment. Do let me know what products you use, but thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.